Hello, I'm going to go through a quick tutorial on how to create an Excel survey. We're starting at the www.office.com website. This is Microsoft's free online service for Office products. It includes Word, OneNote, Excel, etc. I'm going to just jump right in, click OneDrive. I've already created an account, so it takes me right in. If you didn't have an account, it would ask you to create a free account. Once you're on this main screen, at the top left-hand side, you'll see something called Create. When you click Create, you'll see a listing of things that you can create online. Click Excel Survey. This will open up Excel Online and let you create an Excel survey by showing you an entry form on what you want to call your survey. So this is the title of the survey. Then you can put a short description here describing a survey and provide some guidance to your users. Please answer the following questions. Then it presents you the first question to ask. Once you highlight it, you'll see a gear shows you all the editing options for your first question. So here you'll say, what is your favorite color? And then we can have a subtitle. Please pick from the list. And then we can provide the user a way of answers that we want. So we can say create an open text, a paragraph of text, let them pick a number, a date, a time, a yes, no, or a choice. I'm going to let them pick a choice. So red, green, blue. And we can also make it a mandatory field. We can also set a default value. I'm going to just click done. So that's your first question. Let's add another question and say, what is your name? Please give us your first and last name as their help. And we'll leave this as regular text and click done. Now we realize that we may want to make this the first question. So we can do things like drag this question to make it the first question, so that becomes the first question we ask and then the second. Once we're done, we can save and view, and this will preview what it is that we're going to be surveying our users. Or we can just go here and share it right from here. Let's click and save and view first. When you save and view, it'll now present to you what the survey would look like when it's sent out to your users. So this is what they would see inside their web browser. So what is your name and what is your favorite color with a choice? And then they'll be able to submit it. So let's just close this for now. What we'll notice now is that for every question that was entered in the survey, Excel has automatically created a column of each of those questions, and with entries that will come in from the people who enter in the surveys will automatically be populated right into this Excel spreadsheet. And so this list will grow over time. So let's just go back into the survey options, and you'll see up here on Excel Online, you'll have this new feature called Survey. You will not see this on the Excel desktop. It's only in the Excel Online. When we click Survey, we can view the survey, we can edit it, or we can then go ahead and proceed to share the survey. So let's go ahead and click Share Survey. You'll see a wizard that says, what would you like to do? We're about to create a link for your survey. So let's say Create Link. This will go and generate a unique link for you. And you can see it's pretty long and quite an ugly key. So we can click Shorten Link, and that'll shorten it to a smaller OneDrive shortcut. So now we can take this and copy this and click Done. And now we can paste and send this off into an email message and whatnot. Okay. If I click Share Survey again, you'll see that it still has it listed here, so we can always go back to see what that was, and again we can shorten it again if we needed to create that link. Okay. The other thing that you can do is for the people or other colleagues who you'd want to have access to the results, because the people with that link do not have access to the results of the survey. So when you click Share Survey and you send someone this link of the survey, it is only to let them fill in the survey. It's not letting them see the results of the survey from everyone. This Excel spreadsheet is protected and no one else can see it but you. If you wanted to share this Excel spreadsheet to see what the results are with more than one person, you would click the word Share here at the top, and this will give you a set of options of what you want to do. You can either invite people, so you can type in their email address, and anyone who's been sent this email address will have the capability of editing it. And you can click here to see further options. So let's say we said, okay, Bill Gates at Microsoft.com, and we wanted him to edit this, we could do that. But we could also say that they don't need a Microsoft account to edit this document. As long as they have this link, they're able to edit it. Or we can put tighter security and say they must have a Microsoft account. And then typically in that case, you'd want to make sure that this address is a Microsoft account itself, or know that they have a Microsoft account. If they don't, they'll be asked to create one, and it'll be associated to this non-Microsoft account. Alternatively, what you could do is you could just say get a link, and you can say a view-only link, an editable link, or a public link. If you do this, then the link it generates, let's say I create a view-only link, and I say create. This will create me a link now that I can again shorten, or I can send this link as is, and whoever has this link will now have view capabilities to the results of the form. So that's this Excel spreadsheet here. Okay, so let's go through, and I'm just going to copy this link. I'm going to open up another tab, and I am going to pretend I am a regular user. So this is what a user would see when they open up that survey. So Jimbo, and red is my favorite color. And I'm going to click save, and it says thanks, response was received. If I go back to Excel now, you'll notice that automatically it's been already entered into the Excel spreadsheet. So what's really cool is if you open up this Excel online and you send out the survey, you can literally sit here and watch the entries come in, and they'll come in live and you'll see the updates live. So that's how to create a survey.